welcome back to my channel. I'm Kirby Raganet. I'm BSc Math 1B. Today I will going to learn to how to solve about geometric means. Let's go!
Ito na yung geometric means natin, guys. Insert two geometric means between 3 and 24. That means we want a geometric sequence like this. 3 to 24. Ang given natin is e sub 1 equals 3. The first terms ito. And e sub 4 equals 24, the 4 terms, since there are 2 means total 4 terms. Ating n is 4 na. And using the formula natin is an equals e sub 1 rn minus 1. And for the 4th terms lang natin, e sub 4 equals 3r4 minus 1. Then, substitute the new values. Substitute lang natin. 24, yan. Diyan natin kinuha. And over 3 dyan. And equals 3r3 over 3. Cancel out lang natin. Then, and solve for r divided both side by 3. Divide lang natin. 24 divide 3 is, ang labas is 8. And ano lang natin, para makuha natin ang itong 2 sa ating r is take the cube root. Take the cube root lang natin para makuha natin 2. And find the missing terms, multiply each terms by r3. R2 rather. E sub 1 equals 3, and dyan natin kinuha, and en equals 3 times 2 equals 6 dahil i-multiply lang natin. Then 6 times 2 is equal 12. 12 times 2 is equal to 24. Kaya ang ating geometric means na dito is 6 and 12. And then, ang ating final answer is 3, 6, 12, and 24. At yun lang, guys. Sana makatulong.